Hello and welcome to Yellowfin's Tips and Tricks. Today we will be looking at suppressing duplicates within a report. Suppressing duplicates makes it easy to read the data. So in this case we're going to drop down to Year, choose Format and Edit, and we just want to toggle on this Suppress Duplicates here. Now navigate to Summary, and let's also display subtotals. Let's choose the Invoiced column and then toggle this Sum aggregation on for Invoiced. Close out of this. Now you can see that the invoiced amount is being aggregated to a sum in the Invoiced column, and the subtotals are applied to every year. So after every year we have this total bar that aggregates the sum of the invoiced amounts for that given year, as well as suppressing the duplicates for the year. As you can see for each year, the year number is not displayed on every row, but instead just at the top. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tricks, please check out our other videos.